itel phone. Exploring the exciting features of itel's latest phone, a comprehensive review. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have something really special to share with you. The latest offering from itel, one of the leading smartphone brands in the market. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the exciting features and functionalities of their new phone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a budget-conscious buyer, or just curious about what this device has to offer, you're in for a treat. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Point 1. Sleek design and build. First impressions matter, and itel has nailed it with the design of this phone. The device boasts a sleek and modern look that fits comfortably in hand. The build quality feels robust and the attention to detail is commendable. We'll take you through its design aesthetics and discuss the overall ergonomics. 2. Stunning display. A vivid display is essential for an immersive smartphone experience. itel has equipped this phone with a high-definition display, and we'll be exploring its color accuracy, brightness, and overall visual appeal. Whether you're into gaming, streaming videos, or just browsing the web, a good display makes all the difference. 3. Powerful performance. Under the hood, this phone packs some serious power. We'll discuss the processor and RAM combination, its impact on day-to-day usage, and how it handles multitasking and resource-intensive applications. If you're curious about its benchmark scores, we'll cover that too. 4. Feature-rich camera setup. Cameras have become a crucial aspect of modern smartphones, and itel hasn't disappointed us here. We'll be taking you through the various camera features, including primary sensor, ultra-wide lens, macro lens, and selfie camera. Additionally, we'll showcase some sample shots taken in different lighting conditions. 5. Battery life and charging speed. A long-lasting battery is essential for a device you rely on throughout the day. We'll put this phone through its paces, including heavy usage scenarios, and discuss its battery life. Additionally, we'll cover the charging capabilities, as fast charging is becoming increasingly important for modern users. 6. User interface and software. itel's user interface has evolved over the years, and we'll be exploring the latest version on this phone, from customizations to pre-installed apps and software enhancements. We'll share our thoughts on the user experience. 7. Connectivity options. This phone comes with various connectivity options such as 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. We'll test the call quality, internet speed, and overall performance of these features. Conclusion? After thoroughly exploring the various aspects of itel's latest phone, we'll summarize our thoughts and provide our final verdict. If you're considering purchasing this device, our comprehensive review will help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments below. If you have any questions or specific features you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.